Hello and welcome to On a Lighter Note with me, Dipti Nagvenkar. Today we are in Kandolim where the JCI India's Senate Conclave is happening, and for this event we are going to have JCI India's National President JFS M Karthikeyan coming here. In today's episode we are going to talk with him on a lighter note. Hello, welcome to our show, sir.
Hello.
How does it feel coming to Goa?
Goa means always feel energetic. So it's a party place, so where people can enjoy and have a good view outside, beaches. So of course, it's feel energetic.
You have been, as an NP, you have been roaming all around the world, you have been roaming all around India. But there are some places that make us very nostalgic, especially the place where we have spent our childhood. So tell us something about that.
Yeah, the childhood definitely, I can say, I visited some tourist places along with my parents, and of course some heritage places where the olden temples, and some paddy fields where we can walk in between and enjoy bathing over there. All those things are really amazing.
Any special memories as a child?
Nothing specific. There are so many. What we can say is that the childhood school days we played along with my colleague students. All those things are really wonderful memories.
You graduated as a mechanical engineer. So as a child you always wanted to become an engineer, or how was it?
Nothing like that. The path it took me over there to the engineer, because we will take decisions, such decisions only once we grown up to the level of higher class. So that time we felt that okay, to choose this kind of studies will be take us. That was feel that at that time I felt much interesting to learn about mechanical. So I just traveled in that way.
Then how did it focus your career? I mean, how did it support your career? How did you, because you also did an MBA, so how did you go about your career ahead?
See, life is all about human relations and managing things. We cannot restrict ourselves to the particular places or a particular path only. We have a wide scope everywhere. For every human being, it has a wide scope. So it is, if you have believe in yourself that you can able to manage anything, then you can. So I am believing myself and that I can able to manage, so I am doing so.
How did you join JCI?
JCI really, you want me to say real things, right?
Yeah, of course.
See, really, I don't want to say for this interview sake that I learned in, I just read out in the article in newspaper and impressed with somebody, nothing like that. One of my colleague JCI member forced me to come to a meeting without knowing anything about the organization. I just entered into the meeting hall. And after entering, but I escaped 2-3 times before that. And after third time, after his compulsion, I entered into the meeting hall. And I got impressed with the way of conducting the meeting. So then I said, okay, this is the right organization for me where I can spend my young age in the social part as well. So I just joined in that day when I was in 20s. So it was good that I took a decision on that time.
You have been part of the LO, you have been part of the zone, and now you are part of the NGO for the last few years. So how is each level different from the other?
See, Junior Chamber International is an organization where you have endless learning, we can say. Because in every portfolio, in every year you pass by, you can keep on learning so many things. As you all know that learning is a never-ending process. Yeah. It will continue till our lifetime. So similarly, as an youngster, like going for a school days in the teenagers, and after that college, and then after becoming a graduate or after becoming a man who is working the society, every youngster must have to pass this organization. It is a kind of career, we can say, because till the age of 40, this is a time where we can groom the entire community. So this organization provides such an opportunity after becoming a graduate, and once you enter into the job or business, whatever it may be. But it's our responsibility to handle things in the society. It is not only the government who can look after the society and the environment and whatever it is. So it is our responsibility as a citizen to work something for the community. So and also it is for the primary thing is that you need to groom yourself first to be a part of a good citizen in the community. So this organization, Junior Chamber International, provides that opportunity in various ways. We can talk about this for hours and hours together. But I can say it's one of the wonderful organizations which creates an youngster into a leader. by providing them various opportunities.
Is that the reason that you are part of JCI for like 15 years?
Of course, I love that. So initially, as I said, when I joined, I never thought of becoming a local president also. At the time I joined, I joined as a member and enjoying those opportunities. And later on, I got an opportunity to become a trainer. So that changed my life, I can say. Initially, I was so nervous to talk in front of even a 3%. Maybe you media persons are much experts in that. But at that time, I was not able to speak in front of 2-3 members also. We can talk like this any time, but speaking in front of an audience in the stage was really a big fear for me. But this organization gave me the opportunity. So initially I went into the ladder of effective public speaking, and slowly and the fear has come down, and finally I became a trainer. That makes me to go to the level of the president level, first the local president, and slowly the interest continues carrying on to zone level and then up to the top position in the JCI India level. So this is how the journey continues, a long journey.
When we read about you, they also say that you not just you joined the movement, JCI movement, but along with you, you have got a lot of people influenced and made them part of JCI. How did you manage this?
It is that, see, whatever some good things we learn, some good places we visit, we keep on sharing that to some other people. Yeah. I did same. I just accidentally I entered into the organization, become a member and become a president. And after that I thought, why don't we give the same opportunity to some of my friends and neighbors, relatives, whomever it may be, family members. So all my family members have become the part of JCI, and then slowly the neighbors, friends all came together, and we enjoyed. So I wanted to give the same opportunity to pass on the same opportunity to others. That's what I did.
In every post that you held, you have been awarded, you have been rewarded. So what is the key to that?
Whatever you do, if you do with a passion, then you can reach the top. That is what I can believe. So you have to do it in 100%, you give 100%. So automatically it takes you to that level. That is what I can say. Whatever you do, do it to the fullest.
JCI has the training ladder, but there are other areas also where an individual can...
People know JCI by means of a training. I agree with that. We have so many opportunities to create trainers, and so many training opportunities we are giving to the students, college students, school students, and of course the adults. But the most of other parts, what I impressed is that the first part is the way of organizing meetings. We follow the chairmanship and parliamentary procedures. So whatever the things followed in the parliament, we follow the same while conducting the meeting. That is called as parliamentary procedures. So we do every meeting in a systematic way. That is where I got impressed in this organization I joined. So that is the one way of doing the meeting. And then after that, we have a community development also. We are the partners for United Nations. Junior Chamber International is a partners of United Nations. We are the organization, we are implementing the goals of United Nations. United Nations, they will define the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal. We call it as UN SDG. There are 17 UN SDGs are there. Whichever is suitable for our part, for India, we are implementing those goals in the various parts as a partners. So by providing solutions to the problems in the community. It is not that giving food for one time. To making them to yearn for a food is the long-term solution. We are giving such kind of long-term solution. We call it as a sustainable solution. It is a permanent. So we identify some problems in the local community and try to find out the sustainable solution by creating partners with other organizations, partner with the public, and we implement those projects in the society. That is what the major activity will do. And apart from that, what we can say is we have another opportunity called business opportunity, where we have, this at the age of 18 to 40, most of the members of us looking for some growth in the business also. They can use the connect of our members, which have existence of all over the world. It's not only in India. We have existence of more than 100 countries. So by way of connecting among the members of the similar age groups, that will takes their business to the next level. So we have a wonderful opportunity called JCOM, JC's Chamber of Commerce, in which we can connect the members, their businesses, and take them to the next level by giving so many trainings programs also. We call that as a BGO, Business Growth Organization, JCOM.
Okay. So, but this JCI is only for 18 to 40. So, what do we do after 40?
See, after 40, we are not restricting the members who are who are graduating 40. We have an opportunity called Senior Member Association. So immediately once after becoming 40, they can join the Senior Member Association and they can enjoy the similar kind of opportunities. But this organization is for youngsters. In the age of 18 to 40 only, we can able to accept the changes. That is what psychology says. So this is the age where you can accept the changes and modify yourself and act accordingly. But after the age of 40, the resistance will be there. It is a nature, human nature. So this is the right age where we can groom ourselves. It is not only here, internationally we follow the same. After that, they will become an alumni and they will be part of a Senior Member Association. They can enjoy continuing the same opportunities.
We see a lot of people like they join the organization, maybe within 6 years or 8 years they are becoming MP, National President. But there are some members who have been there like for quite a long time and have not taken a post or not reached that level. And you have taken like 15 years and now you are NP. So what is the learning for the youngsters who are looking at it? Because today everybody wants to just, I join and next day I want to become a president, I want a post. They are after the post.
I will make some amendment in your words. The post, I don't say it is a post, it is a responsibility. There is a lot of difference between post and responsibility. Post is just honoring the office, but responsibility is taking care of that office. So as a national president, it is my responsibility to keep the members active, keep the members engaged, get some benefits for the members and spread the organization to the maximum level of the entire India. That is what my role. So we have to take it as a responsibility, then only we can able to grow and learn so many things. That is what I feel.
This year's your theme is Guided by Purpose. What is it about?
See, the Guided by Purpose says that if we are doing some projects, we keep on asking why to ourselves. Why we are doing. There should be a purpose for why we are doing. If we keep on asking why, we will be focused. We will get motivation and we will be having a right path to reach our destination. That is what we call it as Guided by Purpose. So you have to do the project and identify the purpose of doing that and move towards it.
I see most of the JCs wear pins, different kinds of pins. Why these pins? I mean, you just become the member in
pin is an identity of a member who is a part of Junior Chamber International. He called as a member, then we used to pair the pin. So that will create peer also. See, suddenly if I am wearing a pin, if you don't know about the organization, you can ask is what it is. So I will get an opportunity to speak to you about my organization. So it's a PR kind, and it's a kind of feeling that I am the proud member of JCI. So those things, that is why we wear pins.
You are national president, and what happens is, whatever it is, people, you are going into all the zones and you're meeting a lot of people. There'll be a lot of people who approach you, as a national president, and a lot of attention is given to you. So as a responsible NP, how is your approach? How do you handle all this attention?
So of course, NP is only one person all over India. It has to be like this only. We need to learn to manage and we need to take photographs with them and have few words with them, have handshakes with them. All those are part of our life only this year. Of course, after this tenure, there may be another NP. He will get the same thing. But people who are grassroots members or officers, they love to speak to us, they love to have photograph with us. It is a quite natural only. We also used to be like that only. I also still keeping the photographs of with so many NPs I have taken in the past.
What is your future plan? What do you want to do next? What is your goal that you want to achieve?
In JCI?
In JCI.
JCI, see, if I am completing 40, I don't have any scope to go to international level. So that part ends after that. So then definitely as an active JC, I will keep long till my life. I will continue my services in various aspects, in various forms, and bring more youngsters to the organization till my life ends. That is what I want to do. Because whatever I learned, whatever the positive transformation happened in me, all those things because of the organization called Junior Chamber International. Whatever things I learned over here, all those things I wanted to share it to someone. I will keep on sharing till my life end.
We see, as JCs, there are a lot of people who have held high post in the government or otherwise, but as common people, they don't know. Can you name some of them?
So the Chief Minister of your own state itself is a JCI member.
Oh, he is.
Yes, he's a past president of a local chapter. So there are so many such leaders over there who politically performed. They were in the high top position in the political and as well as in the business field, also in various other organizations. Because this is the where JCI is the platform where you can say it's a basement. So once after completing the age of 40, they will not be able to serve in the administrative ladder. Whoever missed the opportunity over here or taken the opportunity also, they will continue the same in some other organization and they are reaching the top level in various other organization and political and as well as in government and various portfolios we can say.
Japan, as compared to India, has quite a less of population, but I think all over the world, they are the highest active JCs they have. Why doesn't India have that yet?
Of course, Japan, the major advantage for them is majority of the prime ministers, past prime ministers of Japan were JCI members.
Oh.
So they reach the top level of that country. There are so many. So it is easy for them to bring JCI movement and create PR to the organization faster than India. So now we are also into the track. We are reaching to the level of the membership of Japan and more activeness. All those things are happening over there. We are upgrading our organization to the various level, trying to reach each and every youngster. That is what is being a biggest population country. It is not an easy task to reach each and every youngster, but we are in the process already.
What would you like to tell the youngsters who are watching this program about JCI, why they should join JCI?
Yeah, as I said earlier, definitely the way you continued your career from school to college, and then you might have continued your masters. Maybe you stopped after that, and after that you went for a job. But if you want to become a responsible citizen as well as leader in the community, you need to join JCI. That provides you a wonderful platform to groom yourself and to bring up your leadership capacities which is already inside you. It will provide you opportunity to work on the society, do something to society and also to groom yourself, create better connect and improve your business. All those opportunities it will provide. It's kind of a sea. What you can say is that if you walk in the beach, what you can say, you can enjoy the breeze of the sea, right? Because we are a beach city, I can connect it to the beach. If you go little deep inside, you can wet your legs with the water. If you go little more inside, you can do fishing. If you go little more inside, you can get some assets from the sea. JCI's organization is like sea only. If you go deeper, more deeper, you can gain the precious thing in your life. So let us all join and enjoy your leadership over here. Learn so many things and groom as a better leader in the society.
What next in your personal level about your career or what you want to achieve at the personal
Achieve in
front?
JCI? What?
At your personal front.
As a person, see, being a JCI, we have a limitations. Not I can say limitation. We have servicing to our members, doing activities among the members, and some public programs we are doing. But definitely, if I continue, I cannot live my regular life. So because I am the person don't want to stay in the comfort zone. Definitely, if you want to achieve something in the society, you always need to come out of the comfort zone. So I wanted to live in that aspect, to extend my life meaningful, and definitely it will be memorable for some other future generations.
But currently, how do you manage your work, your home and all the JCI responsibilities?
That is what I am saying. I already said earlier. Managing things is possible only if you believe on that. And of course, you need support from the family. I agree with you. Family needs to support you. You have to make them understand what it is, why you are doing all those things, why you are traveling this much. If you make them understand, they will also agree with you and they will support you, the primary thing. And about our career, if you have system in place, you can able to manage things. That is what we learned. If you are used to it, that going for office every day, sit in the cabin and do work all the days. You never thought of that. If you are outside the office for a long time, what will happen? If you have that kind of opportunity, you will find a solution for yourself. You are the best solution for provider for yourself. That is what I believe. I did so, and it's happening.
It was very nice talking to you, sir, on a lighter note, and I'm sure watching this interview, a lot of more people who are not still part of JCI will be inspired to join JCI. Apart from that, as an young or as an individual, they learn a lot to understand a lot of things from your talk. Thank you so much for being part of this interview and part of these programs. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. I also enjoyed talking to you. Thank you.